how to lift your brows and how to get rid of crow's feet, how to actually lessen appearance of the hollowness under your eyes. And if you do have a dark circles, this is amazing video for you guys. I have something very, very new and very cool. And first of all, what I want to do, in oxygenated environment, no bacteria, no viruses, no fungi can live. So guess what it is? This is liquid oxygen, what I created to disinfect microneedling tools. Baby Dermaroller, it's very easy to disinfect. There is right now this water, kind of like a liquid oxygen. So a few things that you can do. You can rinse with the filtered water, You don't have to clean up, or you can have a very separate towel that you're using only for microneedling tools and just kind of roll it like that. This is a specific facial towel, not a regular towel. And then I can show you how you can actually lift your brows, tighten the skin around the eyes, hollowness. If you do have a dark circles, I had a little bit of stress lately, so I kind of look a little bit tired. So overall tired eyes, you can lift them up. So how I'm starting with the baby or mini Dermaroller, it's like that, going on directly on the brows. I don't go and don't drag that because of an even angle. I go and do direct lines, like kind of making triangle shape. And then I'm going over here with the baby Dermaroller. Hope you guys gonna be able to see. And I don't do this more like than 10 times. And then I go beneath the brow. You do not want to go more than just one roll beneath the brow. You cannot do that anything below. And technically that's it. Where is that? And technically that's it. For the first time, guys, this is totally enough. You do not dermaroll your eyelids. You promise to me, Jen, I'm not gonna dermaroll eyelids, and give me a pinky promise, okay? I'm watching you. All right, then we go on the side of the crow's feet. I also have a little bit lines here. I mean, I have more, but I'm having more deeper lines over here. So maybe I'm gonna go 8, 9, 10, and then a little bit more, see, a little bit red, that's okay. A little bit above, to tighten that a little bit frontalis muscle above our brow. And then for the crow's feet that I have here, I'm gonna go a little bit more intense like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm gonna go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I forgot to tell you guys that before that I double cleanse my skin with this natural HA/BHA exfoliating cleanser, all natural, exfoliates really well. And I did not have makeup today. And you see a little bit of redness, it's fine. So do this and you will see where majority of your lines going. I have a little bit here as well in the temple that I did not see before. And then a little bit deeper lines here. So you know your skin and your issue the best. And now here I don't have that much, but I'm still gonna go underneath. Now if you have a dark circles, close your eye and go by one slide here, one slide here. This is how it looks if it's slow. Now I'm too professional, but slow should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still hurry. And you want to make sure you close your eye. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red, but that's totally okay. And then, all right, one more extra here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I do have 11 lines. So I can roll each of the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And basically you can do the same exact thing with your other eye.
Cigarette ash, it looks like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And
you still feel okay. You can go a little bit extra love on those places, like my 11 lines, and go actually not only vertical but horizontal. And this is how you wanna freshen up your eye look. Now you can also use this for the lips, but that's in the next video. And after you finish dermarolling, you disinfect. Same way with the foam. And what I'm applying on my eye zone, I do have 2 serums here. My favorite serums, actually. I do have a vitamin C booster, which is brightening, tightening, anti-aging, and natural peptide, which is firming and anti-aging. And I actually mix them both, 1 pump each. Vitamin C is a little bit liquidy. These serums were created by me specifically to be used after microneedling, and very gentle, tap, 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 little gentle massage. You want to make sure you're not going to go in the sun today or tomorrow. If you're going to go tomorrow to the sun, make sure you have a sunscreen, big hat, and big sunglasses. And if you have any more questions, please leave me down below. And I love you guys so much, and I hope you stay gorgeous.